Hello everyone, and today we're going to be in Python lessons. We're going to talk about numbers. So with numbers, they're kind of like the same thing. We can add, multiply, subtract, and everything that you need to do within the Python script. So some of them are like you can do. Let's just do a simple message equals 2 plus 3, and then print message. Oh, I forgot to capitalize the M. Control B, and you would get 5. So if we did the same thing and did message underscore 2 equals 2 or 3 minus 2, and then do another print. If we build that, it'll get us 1. So we could do basically easy math on here. And then we could try multiplication. Message underscore 3 equals 3 times 2. We can do print message underscore 3 and then build it. And that got 6, so that's correct. And then we could do a divide. So let's just, instead of retyping all of that, we can just copy, paste, and then do a divide and change that to a 4. And then build it. Oh. What unexpected indent. Oh, so it's very funny. Indenting sometimes will cause it to crash because it needs to be on the same line as everything else. So we built it. There you go. We got 1.5. And then so to do exponents, we can do something like this. Let's do another copy, paste. So let's make sure it's the same line. So we could do something like this. And we do double the asterisk, which is multiply. And so that should be, we should get 9 out of that. Control V. And we got 9. So that's how you do a multiplication. So you could do multiples of that. So for another, you can combine all of those. So for instance, if you wanted to do 3 plus 2 times 4, and then you built it, you would get 11. Because the PEMDAS and how it goes with the numbers. And then we could do also with that, we could do unlike C++ and C and C#, you can't multiply between like integers and then floating point values, but in Python you can. So with this, you can do just a single 2 times 0.3. Make that a 7. And then do Control B, and that's 0.6. So, and then you can do the same thing with the same thing with just doing floating point values. That does the same thing. So if we did 0.7 times 0.3, and then we built it, we would get 0.21. So that's something we could do for the floating point values and multiply them and add them together. You could do exponents with them as well, and so on and so forth. Also, what you could do is do multiple assignments. So like if we did x comma y comma z, we could equal 0, 0, and 0. So then if we print x, let's copy, Y, and Z, and then we control B. It'll be 0, 0, 0 because we assigned it like that. So that's you can assign multiple doing that. So really, this is all basically the basic math on how you could do everything really easily, passing them messages, printing them out, and so on and so forth. So what the next thing we could probably do is if we made a, if we did, instead of X, Y, and Z, we did 10, or, oh crap, 10, 50, and 7. And what we did was printed these out, and then we did a we gotta switch these and make that a message 9. And times X and Y, you would get 500. So you could do multiplication on variable types as well. So basically that is how we do Python multiplication, adding, subtracting, and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like this and this was helpful, that would be great. If you guys could give me a like, comment, subscribe, that would be fantastic too. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.